Now, I've shot quite a few videos on the Philips Hue Festivia lights, but we finally put them on our tree and we are in love with them. The variety of options they provide is just kind of insane. So you can do whatever color white you want. You can control your dimness to whatever you want it to be, which is really nice, especially in the evenings. And then in the colors, you can do so many fun things. You can have it be one single color, so you could really have it pop, be a very bright blue or green. And remember, this doesn't have to be used on Christmas alone. You can use this for a variety of festive events and parties. So the color range is fantastic. The next thing you can do is make mirrored colors, and this means it will reflect like a mirror from the middle out. And then the next one you can do is linear coloring, and this means it will go from one color at the top down to a different color at the bottom. Now, how you rearrange the colored lines will show that little gray line between them, and that is the range in which it will go between colors. I don't know if I'm explaining that cleanly, but basically the colors you see on the tree are following that gray line. And finally, you can do scattered, where you can do up to 5 unique colors and have a very traditional Christmas tree coloring or however you want those scattered lights to go. Love it so much. Then there's the effects. You can do effects like candle or fireplace, which might not be as fitting on a tree, but they are really fun effects to see, and my son really loved fireplace. Now, my favorite is sparkle. I think it is a lovely, subtle sparkle, and you'll see it here in just a moment. This one right here. This is my favorite. I love having it like this in the evenings. Just really, really nice. You may like glisten more. To me, glisten is too much. It's just a little too distracting on how much it pops, but it is really, really fun. And then opal is extremely bright. Like this would be great in a department store, but maybe not as much in your home. Again, you have all the options. And then this is the one that was the winner with my family. We keep it on this always. Prism is a constant flowing rainbow of color, so it's always changing color. And the greatest parts are we actually have settings for all of our family favorites to swap between when we are in the mood, and we have it on a schedule so it will turn on and off at set times. These have spoiled us so much, I can't imagine having Christmas without them.